what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrew, and today we're going to cover cleaning automotive interior Alcantara. Okay guys, for those of you who don't know, my Camaro has the 1LE track pack, and it comes with the Alcantara, not suede, because these are totally different materials. So it has the Alcantara steering wheel and the shift knob. My car's got almost 12,000 miles on it now, and it's been, man, it's a couple months past due, but I'll put a video up here and you'll see how slicked over and just skanky and nasty the steering wheel and shift knob gets. And over time, the oils from your hands and all that dirt, I mean, if you eat fast food in your car while you drive, or if you sweat, or if you do, I mean, just touching it over time is going to cause that buildup in the Alcantara, and it's going to get slicked over, nasty and gross, and you'll be able to see it. So I was looking online, and I was cruising through primarily eBay and like Amazon and all that, and I was seeing some cleaners, and when I saw $35 for like a little 4-ounce container of cleaner, nope, time out, nope, there's got to be an easier way. So I did. I looked up, I went back to the drawing board, and if you're gonna do this, you need to, well, I guess I've already done it for you guys. So we're going to take a look at what Alcantara is, what is on it, and how to get rid of it. It's super simple, and as you can see in the title, I did it for, well, I did it for $2, but you only need one. So I mean, you can do this for $1, so, and save yourself a lot of money. So I looked up, and I'll put all the info on the screen here, and I'll get out of the way so you can so we can read it together. It says Alcantara is a brand name of a common synthetic textile material. It is a soft suede-like microfiber pile that is noted for its durability. Alcantara is commonly seen in automotive applications as a substitute for leather, vinyl, and vehicle interior trims. It is also used in design, fashion, consumer electronics, and blah blah blah. But anyways, so that's what it is, in case you're wondering. So I also dig a little deeper, and about the only thing I could really find, and I did find it in other ways, but Wikipedia kind of worded it the best. So I'll pull it up here again. Boom. It says Alcantara is composed of 68% polyester and 32% polyurethane. So 32% polyurethane. Poly's kind of an old technology, but it's still very, very durable. I know that, okay, just for example, the clear coat on your car is acrylic urethane. Polyurethane is a resin that they use, well, it's like 80s, 70s, 80s, 90s, kinda. But still very, very durable. As far as me taking the approach to cleaning it, I was kind of nervous on, like, you know, what's going to mess with the color, or what's going to cause like any dieback issues, or if it's going to cause any kind of damage to the material at all. But the more I dug into it, the better I felt about the whole situation. So that's the composition. So anyways, I found this awesome website, howtocleanstuff.net. Thought that was pretty cool. So anyways, I kind of, since it's primary polyester fabric, I went that route, and I pulled up and I screenshotted this for you guys. So it says, although polyester is fairly stain resistant, oil will still leave a mark. Fortunately, since polyester is easier to clean than natural fibers, removing the stain can be done in a few simple steps. Boom. Number one, right there. Right there. Let me cover up my face and get it in focus here. Boom, that's all you need. That's exactly what it is. It says, let's keep going. It says steps to remove the oil stain. Begin with moistening with warm water. I do it all in one. So, you know, applied on, yada, yada, yada. You can, you know, if you want to, you can screenshot. And here's the next one. All the way down to number 8, repeat if necessary. So, what I'll do is I'll put in a sample clip. So all I did was I took a washcloth. So while I was there, I picked up two pack of toothbrushes. You know, it depends on how detailed you want to get, but I mean, I don't think they're really that necessary. The washcloth or the dish towel that I used, I just soaked it, got it wet, and just sit there and rubbed it just enough to tease the fiber back to stand up on end. Your steering wheel and shift knob will be wet for a little bit. You just let it dry. Just take a towel. If you want it to like stand back up to where it was like brand new. Be careful because you can overdo it and you'll start to get little fibers pulling away. You can't put it back in once it's off. So just enough to clean it, tease it back up so it stands it up on end, let it dry, you're done. I'm gonna put a clip in here so you guys can see what it looks like before and after. It's a significant difference. You don't need to spend $35 on any kind of cleaner. As soon as I started looking, I knew that was going to be like gouging people, and yeah, it's super simple. Literally took me like 5 minutes to do, and here in about another probably 6 months I'll have to do it again. But guys, just because your steering wheel is not Alcantara and you know, oh mine's leather or oh mine's vinyl or whatever, it kind of, you know, after I was scrubbing a little bit and I kind of got all that skank off and I was looking at the cloth, I'm like, you know, you probably should be doing this anyways. So just something else. It kind of works out in my favor. Dawn dish soap is kind of how I clean my interior anyways, so it's super nice, so I can just get it all done in one session, one simple step, easy to go. So anyways guys, that's all I got today. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, give this thing a big like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you, bye.